Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Zcash. On a 7 days time frame chart, Zcash has already broken out a very big falling wedge pattern, and now recently you can see it was retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, but again re-entered the same falling wedge pattern, and you can see that here we also found this downtrend line support from the month of June 2023, and after when it was entered inside this wedge while retesting the previous resistance, a quite long-term resistance as a support, you can see we had a long spike up to this support, and after testing the support and this support of $18.50 as well, you can see previously this $18.50 worked as a support here, and again it worked as a nice support, and this downtrend line support also worked as a nice support for Zcash. And after testing the support, the price and it's geared up, and right now you can see, let me just show you this move on the daily time frame chart, that Zcash has once again broken out the resistance, and now it is moving above the resistance of this previous falling wedge pattern. And at the same time, Zcash is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And in today's video we will analyze this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report, and if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Dago Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart you can see when I shared the signal, for example in this case I shared the signal on 5th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this of the buying range and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Zcash, and here you can see that previously since after the month of March 2021 it was moving inside this big batch, and from the month of June 2023 we found another downtrend line support, and when the movement was quite squeezed inside this support and resistance in those days, I told you that now we have a quite firm support here at $18.50, and we also have another very nice support of this downtrend line support. Therefore there will be a very low probability that the price line may this time test the support of the wedge, and there is a high probability that we may break out the resistance of this wedge. And you can see that after the breakout, the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of $32.50. That is a quite long-term resistance. You can see that previously this $32.50 this level has been working as a resistance here, and here of only for 2 weeks it worked as a resistance, and here it worked as a support. And now if we move here, then you can see that it worked as a support here, and now for the past several days, several weeks, it is working. In fact, from several months it is working as a very strong resistance. And even after breaking out this wedge, the price line once again rejected by this resistance of $32.50 and re-entered the same falling wedge pattern, tested the support, this downtrend line support, and this support of $18.50, and now again it is moved up, and now it is moving above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. In fact, it tried to break out but rejected, and now there is a probability that after this successful retest of this support and gearing up and breaking out this falling wedge pattern once again, it may try to break out this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud once again. But until or unless it will be not able to break out this huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, a massive bull run of Zcash cannot be started. Therefore we will need to break out this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Now if we take a look at the final target for this massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge between $400 to $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.